Welcome to Life and Cosmic Chronicles. One sneeze blasts 100 MPH faster than cars on highways. 2,000 to 40,000 droplets explode 20-plus feet carrying viruses. Lungs compress 75% volume in 0.1 seconds torso rocket. Eyes auto-close. Photophobia reflex. Fun facts. Giraffes sneeze 175 MPH. Shrimp clap to stun prey. Masks block 99% droplets but not force. Here's challenge for you. Hold sneeze right now. Feel chest pressure build. Let go safely. Explosive? Comment? Sneeze test passed. Nose rocketed? Subscribe for more body secrets.